Hello, welcome to my cookie spray. Today we are making some banana cookies. I'm Charity and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for all the returning subscribers. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel and let's bake. As you have noted in this and most if not all my bake videos, I mix the wet ingredients first, then I mix the dry ingredients before I combine them. This is what we are doing now at this point. this point our cookie dough is done. So I bake on a pan that is oiled. Since I don't have a ice cream scooper, I use my 1 tablespoon measuring spoon. I oil it, then I use it to scoop the cookie dough. With the spoon oiled, this process is not strenuous. To make better shapes, I use my hand to make the balls rounder, as in a better shape. Then as you see here, I level my cookies a bit with a spoon, which is also oiled. To help you decide whether the extra work is necessary, I will not round or level these cookies, but the other batch was already done. So after baking, this is the batch with extra work. This is the batch that I did not do anything extra, just scooped and baked. Thank you for watching. If you decide to bake, please give me a comment on the outcome.